Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do the camera shake effect on DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do. So all you need to do is ensure that you have a video in your timeline that you want to edit, and then you want to go down to the bottom and just ensure that you're in the editing tab. It's just the third tab from your right. So then all you have to do once you've done that is just click on the video that you want to edit, just like I have done right here, and then just head up to Effects Library, click on that, and then we just want to click on Open Effects, and then to Open Effects Filters, and then we just want to scroll down until we see the camera shake. So it will be just under the Resolve FX transform, and you'll see this camera shake right here. So all you want to do is just click on that, and then once it's highlighted you can just drag it over top of your video. And then we can just do a little test preview right now just to see how it looks. Now this is the stock version of it. It's not going to be the edited version. I'll show you guys how to edit just after we just test it out right here. As you guys can see right there, it just does like a nice simple shake over the video. If you want to edit this a little bit more in depth, you can go over to the inspector once your video is highlighted like this one is here. Just go over to the inspector and then click on the Open Effects tab. And then you'll be able to adjust the camera shake, whether you want to change the motion scale, speed scale, motion blur, and there's tons of different effects that you can change and customize in here. Anyhow, this is the basics on how to do the camera shake. I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.